Greetings, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the steps to activate Microsoft Copilot on Windows 10. Microsoft recently rolled out an update for Windows 10, making Copilot available natively. This update, part of the December 2023 Patch Tuesday, it is set to download and install automatically via Windows Update, unless you choose to pause it manually. Now, if for some reason the update hasn't been installed on your PC, don't worry. We've got you covered with a step-by-step guide on how to install it. Let's dive into the process of getting this update on Windows 10. There are essentially two methods to enable Microsoft Copilot through Windows 10 updates. Method 1, using Windows Update. Navigate to Settings on your Windows 10 system. Click on Updates and Security, and then select Windows Update. Wait for Windows to complete the check for updates. Look for the specific update labeled a KB5033372 in the available updates. Download and install the December 2023 patch. After installation, your PC will reboot. Go back to Settings, Updates and Security, and Windows Update to check the update history. Confirm the successful installation. Upon completion, you can right-click on the taskbar, select Show Copilot Preview button, and observe the Copilot icon appearing at the bottom right of the taskbar. Note, if your taskbar is positioned on the right or left side of the screen, the Copilot icon may not be visible. Also, you can enable or disable Copilot by right-clicking on the taskbar and then tick or untick Show Copilot Preview button from the menu. For users who may not find Copilot available immediately, Microsoft has announced a phased rollout plan, beginning with Home and Unmanaged Pro editions of Windows 10 version 22H2. The rollout will progress through controlled feature releases, initially targeting selected global markets such as North America, Asia, and South America, with availability expanding to other regions in the near future. Method 2, forcing installation. If the update isn't listed in Windows Updates, head to the Microsoft Updates catalog page. Use the search box to find KB5033372. Download the appropriate version for your PC. Open the downloaded file and install the update. After installation, reboot your PC. Return to Settings, Updates and Security, and Windows Update, to check the update history and confirm a successful installation. Similarly, right-click on the taskbar, choose Show Copilot Preview button, and witness the Copilot icon at the bottom right of the taskbar. Note, again, the Copilot icon may not be visible if your taskbar is on the right or left side. For users who may not find Copilot available immediately, Microsoft has announced a phased rollout plan, beginning with Home and Unmanaged Pro editions of Windows 10 version 22H2. The rollout will progress through controlled feature releases, initially targeting selected global markets such as North America, Asia, and South America, with availability expanding to other regions in the near future. If you're eager to use Copilot without waiting for your turn, stay tuned for our upcoming video guide on enabling Copilot promptly. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.